So now we are going to start a new section, that's charts. So here in Excel, creating charts or visual presentation is very easy and is very effective for the presentation of your data, for the decision making for future or decision making, taking consideration of the previous event. So here, if we want to make a chart for these datas, so we can go from menu bar, from insert, and then here you can see different type of charts. So here it's a very effective tool, that is recommended charts. So here they have already made these recommendations. So whatever best ways to present your data, whatever serves, which chart serves your purpose, then you can choose from this recommended chart. So here I am choosing this chart. So from here, it's built-in option. So within a fractions of second, you can make a chart from insert chart option. So in the next lecture, we'll learn more about charts. Here in this lecture, I will show you how to change the chart types. So by selecting this chart, you can, so after selecting it, you can see that you have realized that, oh no, this chart is not serving my purposes. I need to change this chart for a better visualization, for better decision making, for better presentation. So here you can change the chart types. So from clicking here in this button, you can change the different chart types like line charts, pie charts, hierarchy, statistical, XY, waterfall, combo, and many more ways. So I'm changing this column chart to line chart. So I'm selecting this one. So by clicking here, within a very fraction of seconds, this chart type has been changed to a line chart. So this is amazing to work with Excel. So in the next lecture, we'll learn another tips from creating charts. In this lecture, we'll learn about the formatting charts. So here, by clicking on format option, formatting charts, so here we can change the titles of the charts. So by double clicking on the title, so if we want to change the title and we're changing it like sales figures or sales for 2018, here 3 months, January to Jan to March, like this. So very easily we can change the title. So by this way we can format the chart. So here I am showing you that how will you move the chart. So by clicking here and dragging the chart, you can move from here to there, so anywhere you want in this worksheet. Creating charts with spark lines is also possible here in Excel. So in this lecture, we'll know how to create spark lines. So we are selecting this data for creating the spark lines. So from here, from insert options, we can go here and we can see the spark line options. So by clicking on the spark line, so whatever you want, so you can select lines, columns, win or loss, these kinds of spark lines. So I am selecting here the column. So after that, this dialog box will come and you have to select where to place your spark lines. So you click here and then after selecting this column, it's automatically filled up in this box, and after clicking just OK, you can see the spark lines, like column based spark lines. So from here you can change the spark line colors. I'm changing this. Oh, it was before that. So I'm changing these colors, marker color. You can change the styles of the spark lines. You can format or design the spark lines as you wish. you know, by knowing everything in Excel, you will be an expert on data processing or presenting your data. So that's all for this section.